Two oceanographers, Bob and Sue, were on a boat studying the effects of volcanic eruptions on ocean chemistry. Bob, peering into the water, said, "Sue, I think the fish are having a party down there." Sue laughed. "Why do you say that?" Bob replied, "Because every time a volcano erupts, it's like adding a spicy salsa to their water." Sue chuckled. "Well, I hope they like it hot." Just then, a fish jumped out of the water wearing sunglasses and a tiny sombrero. Bob exclaimed, "See, even the fish are getting into the fiesta spirit."